Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 of the best alternatives to YouTube that you should definitely try out. If you're looking for platforms with fewer ads, better privacy, or more unique creators, then this list will help you find something you'll love. The first app is NewPipe, a lightweight and open-source video player that runs without relying on Google's official services. It allows you to browse and watch videos smoothly, supports background playback, and is designed to protect your privacy. If you want a YouTube-like experience without ads and unnecessary features, NewPipe is a fantastic choice. Next is Dailymotion, a platform that offers a familiar layout with a wide range of video categories, trending clips, and a strong base of international creators. It's great for discovering new content and provides a much simpler, more laid-back experience compared to YouTube's algorithm-heavy feed. Another amazing option is Twitch. While it was originally focused on gaming, it has now grown into a hub for talk shows, music sessions, art streams, lifestyle content, and more. Twitch is built around live interaction, allowing viewers to chat with creators in real time. If you enjoy community-driven live content, Twitch is perfect for you. Up next is Odyssey, a decentralized platform built on blockchain technology. It promotes freedom of speech, supports independent creators, and even rewards both viewers and creators with cryptocurrency. It's an excellent alternative if you want something creative, open, and outside mainstream platforms. Finally, we have Vimeo, a platform known for high-quality, artistic, and ad-free videos. Vimeo is ideal for professional creators, filmmakers, and designers who prioritize creativity over clickbait. With its elegant interface and powerful uploading tools, it offers a clean, premium viewing and sharing experience. And that wraps up today's video. If this list helped you discover some new platforms to explore, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.